So you want to be a successful Forex funded trader? Let me share some tips and tricks that would help you on that. One of the reasons that traders are failing to get my Forex funds or FTMO funding is simply not understanding the rules and risk management they need to stick to in order to pass the challenge. So you're absolutely sure of what you'll need and the rules that FTMO imposes. Let's break them down in detail now. Trade with stop loss. Usually, the traders who want to become part of the FTMO or my Forex funds already have some experience in the financial market, but even this cannot guarantee that all their trades will be closed exactly as planned. In addition, if the trader violates the rules of the FTMO challenge, he or she will be refused further evaluation. To eliminate the risk, it is better to use a stop loss. In this case, you will protect your results from unexpected asset volatility and other factors that the trader cannot control. Please note that when setting stop loss parameters, it is important to consider not only the limits set by the company, but also the fee, swap, and even the risk of possible slippage. Do not ignore economic news. As for the FTMO challenge and verification, there is no urgent need to monitor important economic news around the clock. However, experienced traders are well aware that the prices of certain assets largely depend on the current news, and that understanding how things will turn out beforehand, you can succeed well in the financial market by opening and closing positions at the right time. If economic news during the test can be a way to increase your chances of getting into the elite club, ignoring important information while managing your FTMO account is simply unacceptable, since you will be trading with real money. Representatives of the company recommend that you regularly refer to the economic calendar to properly adapt your chosen trading strategy to possible changes. Hedging does not guarantee 100% protection. Even if your current position is hedged, the profit-loss ratio can still fluctuate due to floating spreads. In fact, due to the initial payment for the spread, any trade is open with a small loss. As for the spread itself, its size depends on market liquidity. Important economic news often leads to a significant increase in spreads, which causes a temporary loss, and in some cases can lead to a violation of the FTMO challenge and verification rules. Thus, if you are approaching your limits, it is better to close positions rather than use hedging. Do not take a challenge if unsure of your success. No matter how experienced and competent the trader is, no one can protect him or her from making wrong decisions. A strategy that has repeatedly proven its effectiveness can become unprofitable in a split second. Moreover, sometimes, experiencing serious emotional stress when going through the FTMO challenge and verification, the trader makes rash decisions. Have a trading strategy and plan. Forex trading is all about having solid trading strategies and a trading plan that has rules you will follow. Your trading plan and strategy is your own. You don't need to use someone else's, but you do need to create a plan that works for you and that you can follow to the letter. This will help keep you disciplined and on track to hit the profit targets. The financial market is almost like a casino, so it's tempting to keep playing in the hopes of a win. A trading strategy and plan will help you break the casino mindset and put you in a business mindset that will have solid risk management and a reasonable profit target. One of the most common pitfalls that come from the gambling mindset is holding trades for too long. You'll hold a losing trade in the hope that it will turn around and close you in profit, and you'll hold a winning trade in the hope that it will continue going up. Instead, the losing trade keeps going further and further against you, and the winning trade turns around, closes you out at break even, or worse, in a loss. Focus on 1 or 2 trades per day. The FTMO challenge has 2 primary rules regarding losses: the maximum daily loss and the maximum loss. If you take too many losing trades in one day, you'll probably hit the maximum daily loss and get yourself disqualified. Taking too many trades also puts you in a gambling mindset instead of a trading mindset, so you have to remember to keep yourself on track and treat trading as a business, not a casino. If you as a Forex trader have a rule to only take 1 or 2 trades every day, you'll make sure to only take good trades and avoid risky or questionable setups. As surprising as it may sound, the quickest way to reach a profit target is to take fewer trades per day. The more trades you take, the higher your chances are of making a loss. Aim to get through the entire challenge. 10% is quite ambitious as far as profit targets go, so when doing the FTMO challenge, not only are you aiming to reach 10%, you're also aiming to not hit the drawdown limits before your 30 days are over. Many people fail challenges within a few days of starting them because they take on too much risk. If you manage to get through the entire 30-day challenge period and you're still in the positive, you can either restart your challenge for free or get a 15-day 30-day extension to hit the prescribed target. It's a marathon, not a sprint. One pitfall that many traders tend to fall victim to is trying to pass the challenge too quickly. This tempts traders to risk more money than necessary, and they end up hitting the daily or maximum loss much before the end of the 30 trading days. To pass the FTMO challenge, take smaller risks and plan on using up a good chunk of the 30 days to reach the target. For example, if you risk 0.5% per trade with a 1-to risk-reward ratio, you will hit 10% in 10 trading days. Risking 0.5% is a good amount for day traders, although swing traders will need to risk a little more because they won't get trades quite as often. Taking a small loss is much better for your overall trading psychology. Either way, take it easy and remember, the FTMO challenge and indeed succeeding prop trading and in the financial market is a marathon, not a sprint. Take bigger risks towards the end of the challenge. If you're in profit near the end of the challenge and there are only a couple of trading days left, try using larger risks to reach the target, as long as the risk will not put you into a net loss. For example, if you're 3% short of the target and you get a good trading setup, risk 1.5% or 2% instead of your regular 1%. This way, you can reach the remainder of the target in a single trade. If taking more risk is not your thing, you can just take it easy, too. FTMO offers a 15-day extension to continue the challenge and meet the profit target.